Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video. After you enjoy it, which you will, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So we're gonna have new content coming out all year, about once a week, so check it out. Well, here we are again in the kitchen. Only this time, I'm gonna throw y'all off. Making a fucking salad. Not a steak salad, not a chicken salad, not a fish salad, and not a taco. Salad. These are our ingredients. I mean, this is simple. And as you guys know, all kidding aside, I like shit that tastes awesome, that has a purpose. So, onions. Could be any type of tomato. I chose cherry tomatoes. Over here, obviously, we've got the cucumbers, lemon, salt, oil, pepper. All your ingredients. You probably have the majority of the shit in your house already. Maybe not the purple onion. What are we making? Israeli salad. Had this the other day. Immediately was like, it was like you're at a guest house. Add a little because they're all sitting here. I'm gonna have some of this shit. And I was like, ooh, that's awesome. That's a way to get fats in. Let's do it. So, guys, this is complicated. Be ready. You've got these chopped up tomatoes. Now you're gonna perfectly throw all of them in here. Yeah, like I said, complicated. Same with these bad boys. This is a colorful, beautiful thing that's about to happen. Boom. Get them cucumbers in there. Done. Okay. Now this is where I'm gonna be a little less bold. I don't want like 10,000 onions because my breath will smell like an ass. It's not my deal. I'll probably under onion this, but it's cool. This is a half an onion that I put in here. That was a whole hot house cucumber and pretty much an entire package of cherry tomatoes. So, boom. I'm doing this early because you would usually not mix it up until you've already put the oil and everything in there. But I kind of wanted to make sure I was cool with the onion ratio. I think I am, but just for argument's sake, I'm gonna throw those in there. Now I'm happy. Okay, those boys go in. Rules of this one, since we wing it, there's no measurements. You can go nuts with the lemon. You can go a little nuts with the pepper. Don't go too wacky with these two. Salt, oil, that'll fuck it up. So, what I'm gonna do in protection of myself, first liquid ingredient is gonna be my lemon. So the lemon, guys, this is one of those ones that doesn't have any of those seeds in it, right? No pits, I believe they call it. So I can squeeze the hell out of it, and I'm not worried about biting into that bad boy and enjoying a seed in my mouth while I'm trying to eat this shit. Don't know where you get them, because I didn't buy these lemons, but I did know that that was the fact. Try AJ's. AJ's has everything. Let's do it. Boom, one of those. I'm gonna mix it early, because fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. Why not? I'm doing the other one because she said I could go wow with the lemons. Boom. Bomb it up. Now, one thing about making this kind of shit, especially when you've not made it before, which I guess according to Gordon Ramsay is according to everything, you're gonna have to taste it to make sure you nail the rest of the ingredients. I'm an over seasoner. You guys are seeing me in action. I did it today. So that light's really helping, Todd. I can see the salt. Okay, throwing my salt in, throwing some shit up. Apparently I didn't want that onion. I threw it out. So here's the cool thing. This is why I did the lemon first. Look at all that liquid in the bottom. That's telling me that I do not need a ton of oil. Fresh ground pepper. I like pepper, so probably gonna break her rule a little bit on the pepper. That seemed like a lot. Some oil. Don't buy shitty oil, by the way. You can tell the difference. Now this I'm a little nervous about. Now even though I'm gonna mix it, I like to distribute. Distribution is everything. Boom, some oil. I'll give her a little mixer. And don't worry, for all of you who are wondering who's eating my food that my hands are in. A, it's just me and Todd. B, he saw me wash my hands. So we're in business. Big boy spoon. I'll check my flavor. See if I'm happy. Going in. I need a little more. A little more of this. Other thing with this salad, as good as it is right now, leave it in the fridge as long as you can. It'll get better. Fun fact, mix that up. I'm gonna hit with a little more oil because I want some fats in there. This is where it's like bodybuilder meets recipe. I'm like, yeah, but I want the fats in there. So I'm gonna throw a little extra. Now I'm gonna do it proper. Like now that I've been sticking my hand there the whole time, I've got a spoon now. Mix it up. A spoon I put in my mouth. We're sharing with everybody now. All right, I make my shit in my house. Todd would drink out of my straw. Probably not, but you know, whatever. All right, we're going in for a second bite. This is like the scoop of the chips and salsa. I'm now double dipping. It's awesome. I am a professional. Wow. Guys, I know it seems simple. I know you're thinking dumb, but hey, maybe you want a salad. Maybe you got a girl come over. You want to impress her. Lie to her. Show her my secrets. Pretend like you're a chef. Maybe you'll close the deal. Just don't ever say anything like that because you probably won't. But you probably will. This salad will help, especially if you throw down a steak, especially if you have fancy plates, square, good to go. Israeli salad. Not exactly tough, I promise. Delicious. I'm gonna go as far as saying life-changing. Second favorite salad I've ever had in my life. First one, I'm not equipped to make. Maybe someday. Until next time, make this shit, close the deals. And ladies, you could probably get your kids and husband to have some healthy shit if you make it this way. See you soon.